Hello everyone and welcome to TopTrader. This is a quick demo explaining to you our strategies and how the stock market works. So it'll just take a few minutes. First, we're not a financial advisor firm. We are an educational firm, so we're not recommending any of the instruments we're going to talk about, and unauthorized duplication of the material is illegal. So who am I? My name is Rodrigo Santano. I've been interested in finance at a very early age. I went to Texas A&M University and got my industrial engineering degree and my master's degree in business, finance and entrepreneurship, where my focus is. And pretty soon after I started working, I got really interested in the world of investing. I got into a lot of real estate. But as you may know, I was living in Texas at the moment, and in 2005, Katrina struck Louisiana, and a lot of real estate opportunities went away. So I started my career in stock market education, and these are some of the players that have educated me, from whom I've gotten education. Better Trades, TD Ameritrade, Red Option, TradeStation, Profits Run, Options University, Tasty Trade, to name a few. And after a while, 3 years after I started in this, my friends started asking me to help them invest and trade their money. So in 2008, TopTrader was born, and we started educating others on our own strategies, and what we saw was working the best in the markets. So this is our main strategy. It's called selling premium. And what we're doing here is you're selling options. As you can see, we have a range by the dotted straight lines, outside of which we will lose money, but we have a range inside which we will make money. And as you can see, we're very consistently profitable because we're not guessing where the market is going up or down every single month. We sell options and we give ourselves a range on which to be profitable. So it's based on probabilities, and you can do it very narrow or spread it wide apart. And depending on the market conditions, we can do narrow option selling premium or further away option selling premium. It's very similar to selling insurance. We have probability in our favor since we're selling and not buying the options. We are theta, what it's called theta positive. And this might be a little too much information for you, but I want you to understand the concept. We make money as time simply goes by, and the instrument, in this case the SPX, doesn't move outside our ranges. So it is very interesting, it's very lucrative, but you gotta learn, a lot of the inner workings to make sure you're doing things right. And this is one of our curves of profitability, doing iron condors, which is what we explained in the previous slide. And as you can see, there are months in which we win, but we win more than on other months. And that is, like I said earlier, because we are doing either tighter iron condors, which is tighter spreads, or we are doing the less tight iron condors. And new tools allow us to choose high profit opportunities and improve our returns considerably, right? So instead of sticking to one stock or one index, we can choose which stock we want to focus on every month or every trade and do more of the high profit trades than the low profit trades. So all of this you got to learn, and you got to understand how things should be done. So by optimizing our strategy and choosing only the best candidates, we elevate our returns from 20% on the previous graph to 45% in this graph. You can see that we also use a lot of statistics and mathematics, and we figure out how close to a straight line our profits are. In this case, we are at 94% close to a straight line. So it is very important that we know when to do and what to do, what strategy to utilize at every moment in time. And that's what we're offering here to you, the TopTrader course. The TopTrader course is for beginners that want to elevate their knowledge rather quickly, make 20% plus in the market year after year, but it takes you step by step. And we have an introduction to the stock market and the technical analysis. Then we start talking about options. We talk to you and show you what brokers you can use and how to practice without risking any of your own money. Why selling options is much better than buying options. A common mistake that new traders do is they start buying options, and that is simply not what you should do because of the component theta, which is time. What is a vertical, an iron condor, and a strangle? How to identify the best candidates for iron condors and strangles. How to exit or adjust a trade when it's going against you. That is very, very critical. You need to know if it's coming outside of your ranges, what do you do, right? When to exit a trade when it's going in your favor. There are statistical studies that'll tell you when to get out, and it's very simple once you know, but it's like everything in life. You gotta learn to be able and know what to do. How to create your portfolio. We have tools we can use for mathematical diversification versus diversification by industry. We want to be as mathematical and as systematic as possible when it comes to investing. Why, when the market is dropping, it's the best time to make money. What is volatility and how to benefit from it. I don't know if you've heard the saying from Warren Buffett: be scared when others are greedy and greedy when others are scared. And that's because the market gives us huge opportunities when it's dropping. It's very important that you understand that and you start thinking how the millionaires think, and you know when to grab opportunities from like people that are educated in all of these areas are. So what we offer is a 5-step course. You can purchase either one course at a time or the whole packet, and each course includes one video and one PDF that you can print out and just follow along with the video and fill in the blanks in your PDF packet. Or you can buy again the whole thing and just save some money, and go through the whole course that you need to understand how this is done profitably. Thank you very much for your time. I'm sure if you get the course, you'll be satisfied and you will be very happy with it. So hope you get it and hope we can help you out. Thanks a lot. Bye.